In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your iCloud payment method on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're updating your payment information to a new card or simply reorganizing your payment methods, this process is straightforward and I'll guide you through every step. First, let's navigate to the essential settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the very top where you will see your name and tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings page. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Payment and Shipping and tap it. This section houses all your current payment methods and billing information. Next, to add a new payment method, simply tap on Add Payment Method. This option allows you to enter new card details or other payment methods you want to use for iCloud and the App Store. Carefully input your new card number, expiration date, and any other requested information. If prompted, you might also need to authenticate the new payment method using the security features on your iPhone, such as Face ID or Touch ID. Now, if you're switching from an old card to a new one, you'll likely want to remove the outdated payment method to avoid any billing issues or confusion. To do this, locate the Edit option at the top right corner of the payment and shipping page. Tap Edit and you'll see a list of all your saved payment methods, each with a red circle icon next to it. Tap the red circle next to the payment method you wish to remove, and then confirm by selecting Delete. This will ensure your old payment method is no longer linked to your Apple ID. Once you have added and adjusted your payment methods, it's crucial to make sure your new payment method is set as the default. The first method appearing in the list is automatically used for iCloud and App Store purchases. To rearrange your payment methods, just tap and hold the reorder icon next to each method and drag it into your preferred position at the top of the list. And that's it, your new payment method is now set as default and in place for any iCloud or App Store transactions. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date not only alleviates any service interruptions, but also ensures seamless transactions with Apple services. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your iCloud payment management easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.